Hi everyone, welcome back to Factic. I am Barry Alex, and today we are going to show you the best robot mops of 2024. A robot mop is much like a robot vacuum, but armed with a water tank and microfiber cloths or mop pads that wipe your floor in place of or in addition to a dustbin, can be incredibly useful as part of your regular cleaning. Here are the best robot mops we've tested. Keep your floors spick and span with little effort on your part. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Number 5. The Bissell SpinWave Wet and Dry Robotic Vacuum. Although Bissell has been making upright wet and dry vacuums for years, the SpinWave Wet and Dry is its first hybrid model. It works quickly and quietly, reliably sucking up pet hair and dust from hard floors and low-pile carpeting. Swap out the dustbin for a wet tank, and the robot zips around hard floors, scrubbing them clean with its dual spinning mopping pads. Bissell also offers several different cleaning solutions for this robot, including multi-surface, pet multi-surface with Febreze, and sanitizing formulas. The SpinWave Wet and Dry can also automatically detect and avoid carpeting and area rugs during mopping runs. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly hybrid that works best as a mop, the Bissell SpinWave Wet and Dry is a top choice. It lacks some features available on pricier models, including home mapping abilities, voice control support, and self-emptying, but it offers better mopping performance than most other 2-in-1 robots in this price range because of its spinning microfiber pads and support for sanitizing and deodorizing cleaning solutions. We recommend this model for homes with pets or very grimy hard flooring. Number 4. The Dreame X30 Ultra. The Dreame X30 Ultra can detach its own mop pads to avoid dragging them over your high-pile rugs, then reattach them when necessary. Like other premium 2-in-1s, the Dreame X30 Ultra can lift its mopping pads out of the way when vacuuming over low-pile carpet for efficient double-duty runs. When mopping, it can extend its mop pads into corners and under cabinets for a more thorough clean. After a run, the base station will empty the robot's dustbin, wash the mop pads, dry them, and wash its own basin. The base also automatically refills the robot's internal tank with fresh water and adds a dose of detergent so it's ready for the next job. Roomba Combo models also effectively avoid carpet wetting, but they require more maintenance than the Dreame X30 since they can't clean their own mop pads. If you want a hands-off hybrid and you're willing to pay a premium to avoid any contact between the mop pads and your carpet, then the Dreame X30 Ultra is a top choice. Number 3. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni uses 2 circular mopping pads and an internal water reservoir to scrub your floors. As a hybrid model, it offers an impressive 8,000 pascals of suction power when vacuuming. Plus, it can sense carpets and area rugs and switch modes automatically, lifting the mopping pads out of the way when it leaves hard floors. Its built-in AI and many sensors help it map and navigate quickly, and when it's done, it heads back to the base station where it empties its own dustbin and then washes and dries its own mop. If you don't want to put any effort toward cleaning your floors, and it scrubs and cleans well and navigates efficiently, so it works in homes with lots of room and plenty of floor space. If you're willing to pay for that convenience, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni is a good option. Number 2. The iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus is the first floor cleaning robot with a fully retractable mop. When it detects carpet, the robot automatically lifts its mopping plate out of the way, rests it on top of the device, and continues vacuuming. This allows the pricey 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop hybrid to complete both tasks in a single cleaning run. A common critique about Roborock's similar Viberize system, available on the S7 Plus and later models, is that it only raises the mop 5 mm and may still wet your medium and high-pile rugs. It has all the features of the standard Roomba J7 Plus, a self-emptying dustbin, AI-powered obstacle avoidance, and a poop evasion guarantee. In addition to mopping abilities, the Combo J7 Plus is an excellent option for homes with a mix of hard floors and carpeting. Number 1. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra stands alongside the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni as one of the most hands-off floor cleaning robots. Like ECOVACS' competitor, this high-end hybrid can clean itself after it vacuums and mops your floors, so it's always ready for the next run. The S7 Max Ultra scrubs a bit more than the DEEBOT X2 Omni when mopping, but it doesn't have a voice assistant or a built-in hot air mop dryer. If you can afford it, We suggest pairing this model with Roborock's optional hot air dryer attachment that can prevent bacteria and odors on the mopping pad. The S7 Max V Ultra boasts Roborock's Viberize mop lifting technology, which is also available on the more affordable Roborock S7 Plus, though the hybrids from Dreame and Roomba are better at avoiding any contact between mop pads and carpet. So these are the best robot mops of 2024. If the video was amazing, then make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button for such amazing content, and feel free to leave any type of comment in the comments section.